Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dolphin Discovery Group, the Mexico-based parent company of Dolphin Cove, will sell some of its real estate assets to cover its debt now that the parent company is in bankruptcy. The legal aspect of the bankruptcy proceedings will take place in the United States. The development was revealed in a court by Leisure Investments Holding Limited, the main holding company for the Dolphin Discovery Group. Stephen Robert Strom, the sole administrator for Leisure Investments and its subsidiary, has sought court approval to hire Greenhill and Company LLC as investment bankers. Keen Summit Capital Partners has been retained as the real estate advisor and broker. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that the company is under consideration to receive a senior unsecured loan of up to Jamaican $774,700,000 from IDB Invest, a member of the Inter-American Development Bank Group. The company has further advised that the proposed funding will support Access' strategic objective to expand its micro, small, and medium enterprise loan portfolio. This loan expansion will focus on increasing financial access to women-led enterprises and growing the company's green loan offerings. The contemplated loan facility is structured as a senior unsecured instrument with a tenure of up to 7 years, inclusive of a moratorium period of up to 1 year. For the trading period ending June 20, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Food distributor Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited with 1,938,487 units traded, representing 18.12% of market sales volume. Microfinance lender Dollar Financial Services Limited with 1,035,433 units traded, representing 9.68% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 851,346 units traded, representing 7.96% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 20, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.36 million purchased and US $54.04 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.91 per dollar, selling the US at $160.93 and buying the US at $159.02. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.03 per transaction, with selling at $117.96 and buying at $116.93. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.91 in profits, with selling at $216.32 and buying at $214.41. For our credit report tip of the day, whether starting over in life, from a career change, a personal setback, or a major move, often means needing access to financing without the safety net of significant assets. The good news: an improved credit score can open doors to funding without requiring collateral. Here are some ideas. With a higher credit score, lenders are more likely to approve unsecured loans which don't require you to pledge assets as collateral. Also, a good credit score means you're likely to receive lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money over time. Now, when you're starting to build something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, whether due to a burnout, layoffs, divorce, or a desire for purpose, starting over financially for a professional woman over 45 can feel daunting. Women in midlife are experiencing unprecedented levels of stress and burnout. The always-on corporate culture, coupled with caregiving responsibilities and the persistent gender pay gap, leaves many feeling undervalued and overwhelmed. But here's the good news. Women over 45 are uniquely positioned to succeed as entrepreneurs. Studies reveal that ventures led by midlife women have a 70% higher survival rate than those started by younger founders. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.